Hi everyone, Kate here from Merge Health. Just wanted to give you a little bit of an overview about histamine, its role in the body and how it makes you feel, how it affects you and how it affects your long-term health. I get a lot of questions about what's causing my period pain, what's causing my joint pain, what's causing my eczema, what's causing migraines. A whole lot of different conditions can be caused by histamine interacting with other chemicals in your body. So histamine, we typically know or remember from getting bee sting or a cut or a scratch or something like that as little kids. The spot where you get bitten or scratched swells, it gets red, it gets warm, it feels sore, painful, and that's a typical inflammatory response. So it's immune response that your body's trying to repair the wound, but it's histamine that does all the workings. It makes things move fast, getting to the site and repairing. Histamine is also a brain chemical, or what we call a neurotransmitter. So just like in the body where it gets your immune system active and working, in your brain, histamine can create a lot of activity in your brain. So it can make you feel quite anxious when you've got high amounts of it. Often people come in and they have multiple conditions. They suffer with eczema, they have migraines, they probably have some gut problems as well, and they're also incredibly anxious or in some cases feeling quite depressed. But people who are experiencing palpitations or a lot of food allergies, that's pretty classically a histamine response. There's another issue though. Histamine isn't just a neurotransmitter in the brain and an immune regulator when it comes to cuts and wound repair or bites and stings, but also in your gut. So the bugs that live in your gut when they're in balance should be producing enough histamine to do the work that's needed, but not excessive amounts. So bugs, bacteria, parasites, they actually will often produce amines. So amines are a chemical compound that behave in the body like histamine, looks like histamine. So when you come in to see me in practice and you talk to me about migraines and heartburn and skin conditions, it can also be tied up with what's going on with your gut. So here we have a situation where you might be experiencing all of these symptoms and they may seem unrelated. And sometimes they can be unrelated, but they're certainly interlinked. So what we need to do in order to get that balanced, in order for you to feel as best as you can, is to work on two different levels. So firstly, we want to look at getting your gut cleaned up. And as naturopaths, that's our number one foundation where we want to start all the time. So most of you who've come to see me will know we'll usually do a stool analysis of some sort, and then we'll follow that up with the results with a gut rebalance protocol, and that'll involve a whole lot of herbal antibiotics, probiotics, alkalizing agents, and also digestive enzymes. So we combine all of those things to clean your gut up. We make a change in your diet, predominantly sugar-free, grain-free, and during the protocol fruit-free, and then moderate that slightly when you finish the protocol. We also can work on moderating the amount of histamine produced in your brain, and we can use different nutrients to do that. So some really good ones are vitamin C, for example, calcium, magnesium, zinc and B vitamins. So there you go. That's an overview of histamine, what it does in your body and how it can make you feel, and some basic tips on how you can improve by just getting along to see your naturopath, getting your gut sorted out and taking a few vitamins to feel better again. Look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.